People power. People power. Our power. NUP. Everywhere. Thank you. Mr. President, Your Excellency, Mr. President, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, our Secretary General, people power, Ra. Your Excellency, Mr. President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, your deputies, the Secretary General and his deputy, the leaders of NEC, members of Parliament, dear leaders on all levels, people power, people power, our power, our power, people power. Your Excellency the President, dear your deputies, our Secretary General, the entire leadership of the party, my colleagues, comrades, dear contenders, dear brothers who are here with whom have been contesting for this ticket, I've not forgotten members of Parliament, the foot soldiers, the people of Kawempe North constituency. Ladies and gentlemen, I observe protocol. Greetings to you all. I wish to express my heartfelt appreciation to the National Unity Platform for placing trust in me to be the flag bearer and all candidate in the forthcoming Kawempe North by-election. Mr. President, to my fellow aspirants who stood in the race with passion and integrity, your dedication has strengthened our party. I also wish to thank the party under the leadership of His Excellency President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu and the Election Management Committee for conducting this unique and historical exercise. My family, our supporters, well-wishers, and the people of Kawempe North who have walked this journey with us, sincerely, your belief in our mission propels our determination. While many of you might see this as an opportunity, for me, it is a challenge to serve, a challenge to represent and stand with the people of Kawempe North and the majority of Ugandans facing the wrath of General Museveni's 39 years of misrule and dictatorship. Dear President, comrades, this is not a privilege, but rather a trial. It is demonstrated in 3 ways, Mr. President. First, it is a trial to enhance our unity as a party, embody our brand as the National Unity Platform, and walk the values we preach. The vetting process has been intense to us, the contestants, and even amongst you, our supporters. I believe everybody here and out there had a candidate and wished him to win this ticket. I must play a fundamental role in working with them to face our adversaries as a unified force. United we stand, divided we fall, ladies and gentlemen. Secondly, Mr. President, sir, I have been entrusted with a ticket from a formidable political party of our times, that is NUP. Our departed comrade, Honorable Nazirika Muhammad, was overwhelmingly voted in Kawempe North constituency with over 41,000 votes. This is a trial because as a unified force, we must ensure that NUP retains this seat. Comrades, count on me as much as I count on you. We have the bullet, and we can be declared the victorious at the end of the tunnel, brothers and sisters. Lastly, it's not a privilege, Mr. President, but rather a trial. As you all know, that the late Honorable Nazirika performed so well. Indeed, I have often been asked whether I can fit his shoes. I want to borrow the words of our religious leader, Archbishop Paul Semogerere, that a good leader's shoes are not too big for another to fit. Comrades, who am I to fit the big shoes of my predecessor, Honorable Nazirika? I have my small pair of shoes, ladies and gentlemen, which I will wear to move along with you and all in dignity serve my party, the people of Kawempe North and our country, Uganda. I will put on those shoes which can fit me. To my fellow contenders within the party, thank you for putting up a good-spirited, dignified contest. We have proved that we can agree to disagree respectively. It takes courage to be part of the process we have been through. Although the party has not given all of us a chance, it is counting on us to liberate Uganda. And that is the ultimate goal, Mr. President. Mr. President, to the party members, I am a devoted member of National Unity Platform, whose party affiliation should never be put to the question, Mr. President. As an advocate, I would like to tell you that a good lawyer is not judged by how long he has worn robes, but rather by how effectively he has represented his clients. Similarly, I challenge you to judge me by my actions. I will perform, ladies and gentlemen. Further, the last 10 years, I have stood firm against injustices with the oppressed to ensure good governance and the rule of law. Kawempe North is getting a voice that will never be silenced, Mr. President. I will stand firm for the people of Kawempe North, for the people of Uganda. People power, our power. Ra, cha. Mr. President, mutsera chino. Mr. President, ndozo ndabye wanonga ne Teresa. Omanyi mu free and democratic society.